1.7 magnitude earthquake was reported near Astoria, but it was also felt by people on the Upper East Side and on Roosevelt Island, which is where we find Fox 5's Linda Schmidt. Linda, what have people there been telling you?
Yeah, well, hi there. First of all, to you, Steve and Natasha. You know, instead of the new year here starting off with a bang, it started off with a rumble here on Roosevelt Island as well as in Astoria, Queens. Now, this all happened about 5:45 this morning. It was a 1.7 magnitude earthquake. And by the way, New York has had earthquakes in the past.
I feel the three big booms.
That is what Michael and his family woke up to on Roosevelt Island. The same for Miriam.
All of a sudden, it felt like an explosion, like the room sort of moved. So the walls felt like something like vibrated.
In fact, a lot of people thought it was an explosion, calling 911. The FDNY and Con Ed responding, but did not find any signs of an explosion. Well, it turned out to be a magnitude 1.7 earthquake. The epicenter in Astoria, Queens, could also be felt on Roosevelt Island.
All of a sudden, I felt my bed moving and the building moving and the loud, very loud sound.
Off the top of my head, an earthquake of this size in the New York City area is once or twice a year.
John Armbruster is a seismologist with Columbia University. He says there are several fault lines running under the city, and we have had earthquakes in the past.
The New York City area has had earthquakes as large as magnitude 5.
He calls a 1.7 quake pretty much a non-event. No damage, no injuries, but he says it should not be ignored.
The small earthquake is a reminder that larger earthquakes are possible, and eventually there's going to be another magnitude 5 in the New York City area, but we can't predict when. But the chances are low.
Okay, now there was a rumor going on out here on Roosevelt Island that one of the buildings lost power, but Con Ed telling us tonight that no one, not one customer, lost power as a result of this. There was just a little bit of shaking going on. Back inside to you.
Wow. All right, Linda, thank you.